Pikwa ya kan ya kejeli ke bahia. Kepada KMP harus sanspa sau pulai ngon. Ayu pilih ati yo pihak bersyangsa dindu. Kita di bawah mana dia pamsot, untuk pamsot ini hak hukum sudah normal. Nama kita kan makin rakyat isu ini kita kalau makin happen ke parlimen kita yo bankaran satya. Nama ka procedure hapo parlimen kadon dakaway kalenti angkum assembly ra motion kat bamon ra bill kat bamon ye kat bamon walk out kat bamon MP habis council belum kumta ha parlimen tem.
Language is one of the important elements. For many years we've been demanding for the inclusion of the Khasi language in the 8th schedule. I hope with the support of members that one day, just like while I was sitting here, from day one, hearing our friends speaking their own language, how I wish that one day, very soon, that you will also get to hear the language that I speak, the Khasi language. And I hope that the government, members of the opposition would support the inclusion of the Khasi language in the 8th schedule.
Okay, sir.